Hey guys, what's going on everybody? Coach Matt here. Welcome to Friday. I'm going to call it Fast Friday today because we're going to be going nice and fast. This is going to be a cardio-based workout and we're going all the way back to the same timing that we had for week one. So that means we've got 3 pods. We have 3 exercises in each pod. You're going to complete 2 sets at each station and then move on, and you're going to then perform 2 laps. So we're going to go 2 sets of exercise 1, 2 sets of exercise 2, 2 sets of exercise 3. Then we're going to go all the way back to exercise 1, complete 2 more of each. That would then complete pod 1. Then we would move on to exercise 4 for pod number 2. All right, guys, so very first one we have is activated reverse lunge. So I'm going to start in a nice deep bodyweight squat position, keeping my head and shoulders nice and square. I'm not going to change levels, and I'm going to extend into a backward lunge, keeping my head and shoulders the same height. I'll show you from the front. Activated lunge, we're going to stay in that position the whole time. Exercise 2, we're going to do a medicine ball 1-arm push-up. So this one we're going to have medicine ball. We're going to push up and switch all the way over. If you don't have one, you can use a pot, you could use something. Just try to elevate one hand up for that one. Exercise number 3, knee tuck. This is going to be in a downward plank position. We're basically bringing both feet all the way up, kind of like on a burpee. Try to get those knees all the way up to your chest. That would then complete pod number 1. Pod number 2, exercise number 4, we're going fast feet to sprawl. So we're going to move nice and fast, hips down, straight back up. Hips down, straight back up. Exercise 5, we're going mountain climber to a shoot through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we're going to shoot through, extend, thread that bottom leg, and reach that top arm up, straight back into mountain climber. Next one, exercise number 6, last one in pod number 2, we have a bicycle crunch. So laying on the ground, make sure you get your elbow all the way up to your knee and your shoulders up off the ground. Next one we have pod number 3, exercise number 7. We're going high knees to a pole squat. So we're going to be running on the spot, get those knees up nice and high, then straight into a pole squat. Exercise number 8, we're going to walking plank. So we're going to hold a plank position. Hands are going to come out and we're going to come up. Notice from the side, keeping my hips down, my shoulders square. I don't want to rotate my hips at all for that one there. And last but not least, we have tricep dips. So we've done a couple different versions. You can go tricep dips on a chair or on a box. We can also do it in a crab position. So if we don't have anything, we can go body weight. We're going to come all the way down, all the way back up. Just like that. If you do have a bench, let's go bench. Remember, try to get that elbow all the way up about 90 degrees. And then we're going to move on. 2 sets, 2 laps of each one, 3 pods, 3 exercises. Let's get it, gang. Happy Friday.